Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. So guys, in today's video, we are going to be cleaning the Glorious Mousepad, the XXL version. So, after a couple months of usage, as you can see right here, it's got really dirty after long usage. So, I think it's time to clean it. So, all over here, there's all kind of like water stains and whatnot, because I like my water glasses. I used to use it without a cup coaster, so it used to leak onto my mouse pad and whatnot. So yeah, so right now it looks pretty dirty, but Gloria says that you could put it into the washing machine, or you could hand wash it. So I'm gonna be hand washing it. So let's get to it. Let's see what the before and after looks like. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're gonna be using a sponge, and we're gonna be using Purex. Let's go. So first we're gonna actually soak it down. So let's take the hose. Okay, so we got it all soaked up. Let's take some Purex. Okay. Alright, that looks like more than enough now. So let's get scrubbing. I'm gonna use the green stuff. You can already see the dirt is coming out of it. Ooh, that's really good. Looking pretty good so far. You can already see like a really dirty dirt coming out, so that's good. It looks nice and clean. The main dirt spot is right here, but it looks like it cleaned up pretty well. Look at that. Whoa. So that's more water. I put it in the because I want to make sure that it's clean the first time. Okay. Right here's the dirt. I'm most worried about the edges, because the edges are like the most dirty part. Okay, I think it's time to wash it, so that's good. Okay. It looks way cleaner already. Wow. So we're done. So I'm just gonna leave this to dry out here. So far it looks pretty clean, so that's good. So I'll give you guys an update in a bit. Alright guys, so as you can see, here is a mouse pad after we finished washing it. So it turned out pretty good. So it is awesome, it's nice and clean, no spots anywhere, so it is really easy to clean. This is why I really like this mouse pad. So without further ado guys, thank you all for watching, hope you guys enjoyed, leave a like, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace out.